Hi everyone, this is Caitlin Walter, and in this project we are going to be creating magazine covers for the Sports Extreme magazine. And from our client we are told that Sports Extreme magazine features extreme sports like BMX, skydiving, whitewater rafting, and we need to create two designs for the first two issues that will highlight skateboarding as well as windsurfing. So the comments from our client, we need to make sure that the design is 8¼ inches by 10 3/4 inches. And yeah, that's pretty much it, besides the fact that obviously the magazine has to have the nameplate and include the magazine title as well as the issue number, volume number, and date of the issue, and then artwork that illustrates skateboarding and windsurfing, and then placeholder text for 3 article titles on the cover. So that would be like the different stories in the cover. So for the first one, for the skateboarding one, I found this image of a skateboarder, thought it was interesting, captured the eye of different things. Then I added some effects to lighten it up. Sorry, I'm just going through and adding the layers. Okay, so my first part of the skateboard cover is obviously the skateboard title, so I actually went to do this. I went to the Adobe Typekit and I found a couple cool fonts that I wanted to use, so I actually went ahead and downloaded the fonts. So I downloaded these two fonts right here. You can see that the TK is by them because I downloaded them and thought they were interesting. Sorry, I don't know what's going on there. Okay, so here is the final image for my magazine. Got the title and the 3 different texts, so check out the Beginner's Guide to a Kickflip, exclusive behind the scenes look on the 2018 Vans Pro Skate Park Series, and Conquer Your Fears with a little pep talk from Tony Hawk. And then here's the volume number, the issue number, and the date. And for the second one is the windsurfing. So again, we have the volume number, issue number, date, title of the magazine, and the 3 different texts. Just gonna go through and show you what I all did. Again, I used the same thing, and actually for the title, hold on a second. For the title in the volume issue, I actually made them as PNGs so that I could edit them, and then I put them in the libraries so that they would be even across the board with the same effects and the same colors and things in the different issues. So again, here is the skateboarding, here's the windsurfing, and I also created one for rock climbing. And that's it. Thanks for watching.